Amidst the increasingly fierce competition of modern sedans, the 2026 Honda Accord stands as a symbol of elegant evolution, combining premium design, intelligent technology, and more efficient performance than the previous generation. With a more assertive appearance, a more luxurious interior, and the latest safety features, the 2026 Accord is more than just a family sedan. It represents a new lifestyle for those who desire comfort, prestige, and technological excellence in one harmonious package. Watch this video in full and don't forget to like and subscribe. The exterior design of the 2026 Honda Accord showcases a harmonious blend of futuristic and luxurious styling. The front fascia features an aggressive look, featuring a large hexagonal grille combined with thin, elongated LED headlights, creating a sharp and modern look. The bold bumper curves and sporty air intakes enhance the aerodynamic character and high performance. From the side, the long, sharp body lines from front to rear create a dynamic profile accentuated by large turbine-style wheels that convey a premium and sporty aura. The sloping coupe-like roofline adds a touch of elegance, while black pillars create a futuristic, floating roof. In terms of performance, the 2026 Accord continues to rely on two engine options: a responsive and efficient 2.0-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, and a new hybrid option that combines a high-powered electric motor for smoother acceleration and significantly better fuel economy. Advanced features are the key highlights of this latest generation Honda Accord. The Honda Sensing driving assistance system has been enhanced, including smarter adaptive cruise control, more natural lane-keeping assist, and a 360-degree sensor suite for enhanced safety. The rear of the 2026 Honda Accord in this image highlights a futuristic style that is both elegant and high-tech. The LED taillights extend horizontally and connect seamlessly across the width of the rear, creating a bold, modern look while reinforcing a wide and stable visual impression. The rear body curves are very clean and aerodynamic, with lines flowing smoothly from the roof to the diffuser, reflecting efficiency and high performance. The rear bumper is minimalist yet sporty, with carbon fiber accent details that add a premium performance feel. Large wheels and aggressive wheel arch shapes add an athletic touch to the rear. Meanwhile, a subtle spoiler integrated into the trunk enhances aerodynamics without sacrificing elegance. Overall, the rear of the 2026 Accord exudes a new identity that is more luxurious and sophisticated, ready to enter the era of future cars. The interior of the 2026 Honda Accord represents a significant leap in luxury and technology. The cabin is designed with a premium approach, incorporating high-quality leather materials. The dashboard is clean and futuristic, with a wide infotainment screen seamlessly integrated with the digital instrument panel, presenting vehicle information in a modern and intuitive manner. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel and ergonomic button layout provide easy driver access. The center console stands out with a neat arrangement of dial-based and touch panel vehicle controls. The seats are sporty yet very comfortable with good support. As for pricing, the next generation Honda Accord is expected to be available in several variants. If the hybrid variant and advanced features are offered, the global price range will be between $48,000 and $60,000 US. This car not only maintains the Accord's reputation as a flagship sedan for modern families, but also elevates Honda's vision of the future to a new level: luxury, sophistication, and pampering every driver on every journey. Thank you, and see you in the next video.